The gleaming countertops, the artfully arranged ingredients, the beaming smile, it was all a carefully constructed illusion. Jon Stewart, the veteran comedian and social commentator, has thrown a Molotov cocktail into the meticulously crafted narrative of Meghan Markle's Netflix cooking show, branding it a fake and staged performance. His scathing critique, delivered with his trademark acerbic wit, leaving viewers questioning the authenticity of the Duchess's foray into the culinary world. It wasn't just a casual observation. Stewart dissected the show with surgical precision, revealing what he perceived as a calculated performance designed to project an image of effortless domesticity, rather than a genuine passion for cooking. Stewart's primary contention wasn't about the quality of the food itself, but rather the manufactured atmosphere surrounding it. He pointed to the suspiciously pristine kitchen, the perfectly timed cuts and stirs, and the almost theatrical interactions with guests as evidence of a production designed to showcase an aspirational lifestyle, not a real cooking experience. "It's like watching a play where everyone knows their lines a little too well," Stewart quipped, his words echoing the sentiments of many viewers who had found the show's polished veneer unsettling. He argued that the show's focus was less on the culinary process and more on projecting an image of Meghan as a relatable, yet still impeccably curated, homemaker. The carefully chosen guests, the pre-prepared mise en place, and the seamless flow of the episode all contributed to a feeling of artificiality, a sense that the kitchen was a stage, and the food a mere prop. Adding fuel to the fire, Stewart called out the show's blatant attempt to capitalize on Markle's royal connection, even in her post-royal life. He suggested that the show's appeal lay not in its culinary innovation, but in the vicarious thrill of watching a former royal engage in everyday activities. "It's the ultimate look at me, I'm just like you performance, but with a multi-million-dollar production budget," he remarked, highlighting the inherent contradiction in a show that purported to be about relatability while clearly being a product of immense wealth and privilege. This observation resonated with many who felt that Markle's post-royal ventures, including this cooking show, were strategically designed to maintain her celebrity status while projecting an image of authenticity. The backlash to Stewart's comments was swift and predictable, with Markle's supporters accusing him of misogyny and jealousy. However, his critique resonated with a significant portion of the audience, who had long harbored suspicions about the show's authenticity. Whether or not Stewart's accusations are entirely accurate, they have undeniably punctured the carefully constructed image of the show, leaving viewers to question the true nature of what they are seeing. The cooking show now stands as a symbol.